How to set up route deviation alerts on app. Want to get real-time alerts every time your vehicle deviates from the designated route on an ongoing trip? You can do that by setting up a route deviation alert inside the LocoNav platform on mobile or web. To set up a route deviation alert, you must first have a wired GPS tracker or OBD device installed in your vehicle, along with an active subscription to the LocoNav Fleet and Asset Management System. Let's log into LocoNav Fleet and Asset Management System and get started. Tap on More from the top navigation menu and select Alerts. A dashboard will appear with all alerts available on the platform. Tap on Subscriptions and then tap on the Set Alert button. You can find it on the bottom right of your screen, in the shape of a plus sign. Use the search bar on the top to search for the route deviation alert. Tap on Vehicle Route Deviation Alert from the search results. Choose the predefined vehicle routes from the drop-down menu, for which you want to create the selected route deviation alert in the form of real-time notifications. This alert requires your vehicle to be on a trip on the selected route. In case you don't have predefined vehicle routes to choose from, you can create these using LocoNav Fleet and Asset Management System on web under the Trips module. Tap Continue and you are good to go. You can choose to have these notifications come to you on the mobile app, web, SMS, or email. Tap Create Subscription to save the alert settings. You can set up as many route deviation alerts as you like for each of your vehicle routes. To learn more about LocoNav's Fleet and Asset Management System, book a demo now.